Want to use Affirm with Apple Pay? Here's how to do it. Make sure you're shopping online or in an app using an iPhone or iPad running iOS 18 or iPadOS 18. Affirm doesn't work for in-store Apple Pay purchases. At checkout, choose Apple Pay as your payment method. Then tap Other Cards and Pay Later options and select Affirm. If you're new to Affirm, tap Set Up, then continue with Affirm. Fill in your personal info to create an account. If approved, you'll see payment options like bi-weekly or monthly installments. Already have an Affirm account? Just choose Buy with Apple Pay. Then tap Other Cards and Payment options and select Affirm. You may need to verify your account info. Next, choose the payment plan that works best for you. Review the terms, then tap Agree and Continue. If a down payment is required, you'll be prompted to make it now. Finally, Apple Pay will show a confirmation screen. Double-check your payment plan, contact info, and shipping address, since any changes may affect your loan. When everything looks good, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and you're all set. Pay over time with Affirm, right through Apple Pay.